Chance JDM, episode 2. We're going to take care of this 4-door R34 Skyline. We're going to give it an interior and exterior detail. Check it out. The engine on this 98 R34 GTT has been nicely upgraded with an HKS GTRS turbo to go with the GP Sport exhaust. Also in the front, it's got the Blitz intercooler as well as the Trust air filter. The Z-Tune type wide fenders match nicely with the Nismo style front bumper as well. I was able to detail the car in between some houses on a street that provided shade, so I didn't have to worry about rushing to make sure I got all the water or soap off before it dried, so I could take my time and really get a deep clean that this car was looking for. I'm using Auto Bright Super Foam car wash. It really laid it down nicely and was very easy to use. These 19-inch raised wheels are very big and open, so I could really clean the barrel. I use this long handle bristle brush so that I can reach the back of the barrel just as well and make them look brand new. I use this soft bristle brush here to really get into the crevices and the spots that the wash mitt and the pressure washer just won't reach. It's really needed sometimes, and if you do it once, you shouldn't really have to repeat it again for a while. All right, so on the interior, it's not so dirty, but you want to really get into this material here. So I'm going to use the soft bristle brush that can really penetrate all these crevices on here. And I'm using the Art Pro Leather Cleaner Pro. It's more of an all-purpose cleaner, but I can use it on anything here. But for now, I'm going to stay away from here because I'll hit these with the steam cleaner. To avoid overspray, I'm going to spray directly into the bristles. You can see all the dirt that it collected. Anytime you can use a pressure washer to help clean the floor mats, it's a really added bonus and it really helps push the dirt away. If you look at the bucket of water at the end of this cleaning segment, you can see that it's not as dirty as at the end of the video when I show you the bucket of water from the interior seats. All right, just to give you a little idea of what I'm doing, I'm going to first vacuum. You want to make sure you can really get down in the crevices of the seat here so that when you're going with your steam cleaner and your vacuum and your drill brush, you're not going to actually scratch if it's leather or vinyl or this cloth material. You don't want to scratch it. Plus, the more you vacuum out, the less your steam cleaner is going to have to pull the dirt out and risk clogging that up. So after I vacuum it well, I'm going to spray it with the Chemical Guys interior cleaner. After that, I'll hit it with the drill brush, because if you look over here, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's a light brown stain, and over here there's some white stains, which will be from maybe spilling something and not cleaning it entirely, or body sweat. After I hit it with the drill brush, I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the steamer, and then all of this should come out. Let's do it. The car looked clean, but this is the water from only the interior.